Powerful quotes by Jack Ma. Number 1. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Number 2. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Persistence beats talent. Number 3. Your attitude is more important than your capabilities. A strong mindset can create possibilities others can't see. Number 4. Opportunities lie in the place where people complain. Problems are hidden doors to success. Number 5. You need the right people, not the best people. Loyalty and passion build stronger teams than raw talent. Number 6. If you can't tolerate your opponents, you will be destroyed by your own anger. Calm thinking wins longer battles. Number 7. When people say too much, listen carefully. When people say nothing, observe closely. Silence reveals more than words. Number 8. A leader should be visionary and have more foresight than an employee. Direction is stronger than speed. Number 9. Before you succeed, you must survive. Many quit during the storm, but winners endure until it passes. Number 10. Help young people. They are the seeds of the future. Invest in minds, not just businesses.